What's good, pretty gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mai, aka Pretty Mai, and today I got a unique type wig. Like, you're gonna see in a second, you're gonna see why this wig is so special. But it looks like a regular lace front, right? Wrong. But keep watching to find out why this wig is so special and why it is the easiest wig to install I've ever had in my entire life, and why it's my new favorite wig because I'm loving this hair from Nadula hair. But keep watching if y'all want to know more about this wig and watch me install it and style it within all of 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm starting with braids and a wig cap. I just put some makeup on the wig cap so it matches my skin color. Here's the wig. I've worn it one time previous to this and I decided to scrap that video because I didn't like it. But here's the inside of the wig. You can see it's like a false scalp method, but this is where it get like weird. So look right here. You think it's a 4x4 closure, but it's really one part with tracks next to it. You see right here, part and then tracks. And then they'll go to part and then they'll go to tracks. Same on the other side. It's just a really narrow part and you cannot change the part. And I wasn't aware of that because on the website it says 4x4 closure. So I thought it was kind of cool, but also weird. And then there's just lace in the front followed by more tracks. Like you see that right there. A very thin line of lace. But this is a good wig to just throw on and go. You don't really have to do much work because the top is already laid down because it's tracks. So that's kind of cool to me. But here it is, put it on your head. You are not able to see the tracks in person or on camera. I couldn't see them at all. I know they're really close to the lace, but you cannot see them at all. I'm just brushing through the hair because like I said, I wore it one previous time and it just wasn't looking that cute. Then I'm taking this edge brush and Eco Styler gel and I'm just putting the baby hairs into place. This came with the wig box and so did the brush you saw me holding. But now we're just taking that same brush and we're going to flat iron the hair. But y'all see that install took like all of 5 minutes. All I did was brush the baby hairs. And once you cut them the first time, you don't have to do any work after that. So I love this wig for that because that's the easiest install I've ever seen anywhere. But yeah, here I am just flat ironing the hair. I'm just make a few more adjustments and brush through it a little bit more. And then that's literally it for the install. Okay, so this is how the hair came out. As y'all saw, this install is completely glueless. I didn't use no type of spray, glue, anything. I literally just gel my edges down. I did pluck it, but y'all saw, I showed y'all the construction of the way, so you know you could barely pluck it. So I did like just a little bit to make sure the baby hairs weren't so thick. But all in all, this is such a good wig to have. Like, I feel like this is a must. If you wear wigs all the time, this should be a wig that you buy and it'll last you like probably a year, because you should just wear it in between wigs. Like, it's just one of the wigs you could just throw on and go about your day, because you see all I did was flat iron it. I didn't have to take no hot comb to it. I did hot comb it when I first got it, but this part is permanent as y'all saw, so the hot comb barely did anything. I want to say it's 24 inches, but I put all the stats on the screen and stuff. So yeah, here's the hair. It's really pretty. Right now on the camera, on my monitor, it's looking like a dark brown, like a dark ash brown, but it's more of like a honey blonde and medium brown. But also my monitor be like tweaking sometimes. So real quick before I tell y'all my opinion, we're gonna go through the box. They sent so much stuff in here, it's crazy. So we're just gonna go through that real quick and then I'm gonna let y'all know my final opinion. So here's the box that it came in. It came in this typical Nadula hair box, the one they always send. It actually came extremely beat up, and I believe the other wig back there did too. That's another Nadula wig. So I don't know what that is, but it could have been the delivery guide. Just my boxes are both like beat up. Besides that, this is their typical box. They always send me wigs in this box, and on the back it tells you all the hair care tips, the same ones that are on every box. Inside you get a bunch of goodies. Like, you don't have to buy anything to put this wig on, like not even glue. So let me show you. It has every single tool you're gonna need. In here you can see it's very heavy because there's a bunch of crap in here. So first we have this bag. Inside of here you have an edge control brush with the comb in the end. We have a wig paddle brush. We have a Kiss hair pin. It just says Kiss. Yeah. This is really cute. And then we have, lastly, I believe this is a mirror. Hold on. Yes, to get a little tiny mirror. Yeah, it's a mirror with mirrors inside and outside. Then there's more, like that was enough to install the wig on its own, but there's more stuff in here. So next we have this pouch. This reminds me of like an Ipsy bag. It comes in this cloth bag and it's like, you can see it's holographic. I didn't even know that. Okay, when it's down here, you can't see it, but when it's down here, it's black. And then when I'm holding it to my light, it's turning purple. And on camera, it's purple and blue. But in person, this is black, so I don't know. I literally did not know this was holographic. I wish you could see the black. I'm gonna try to take a picture and then I'm gonna put it on the camera. Okay, I took a picture and I'm gonna put it on the screen, but you can see it's black in person and then it's like this on camera, which is so crazy. This is one of the prettiest bags I've ever seen. And then the wig also comes with a wig cap. I've used it already. This is just another one I put in here to remind you guys that it comes with a wig cap. It only came with one, you know, like the pack says 2, but sometimes Nadula hair only sends 1, which is kind of weird, but I don't really mind. And then of course it has like the hair bag where the hair came in. And lastly, there's still one more thing. You get this hair tie, but it's like decorative, so it's something that you're supposed to style and wear like this, or like the other way where it's a bow in the front, like this. The packaging is just over the top. Like, I've never gotten that much stuff in like a hair package before. So yeah, I love that about Nadula. They just always have like touches that like make the packaging over the top and make you want to buy their hair. As far as my opinion on the hair, I'm gonna try to make it quick for y'all. I love it as usual. Nadula Hair is actually my favorite company to work with, so of course I love this wig. I love it. I love it. It's super silky, their hair gets super straight, and this is not a one-time thing. Go on my channel. I've worked with them so many times. You will see, like, I always try the straight hair, and it's just silky as fuck, and it's long and it's thick. Like, their hair is just crazy. It goes so hard, for real. The one thing I will say about the color is I feel like this could have been a little more blended. It's kind of like a harsh line where the highlights start. I will say I've asked them for a large and it's true to size. Working with Nadula Hair before, I could tell you that their wigs are 100% true to size. That's not an isolated thing. Like, they're always true to size for me, so I always get larges. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. What's the easiest wig you've tried? Would you think about trying a wig like this where there's no 4x4 lace, it's just a single part and a hairline? Because I didn't even know they made them like this. I just thought they did the part with no hairline like this. But this is raw. Like, I will definitely look into more wigs like this for myself because I need some throw-on wigs in between videos. Like, this is, yeah, this gotta be one of my favorite wigs so far. Before you leave, don't forget to join the Pretty Game by pressing the subscribe button and notification bell. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at It's Pretty My, ITS, Pretty MY. And I'm gonna see y'all over there or in my next video.